So I got some time off for the holiday weekend, and I'm gonna go and fix some projects I've been neglecting, and I need to get to this before it comes a bigger problem. Had some woodchucks burying underneath the little shed here, and the problem with that is that sand is from the drain field. I don't have natural sand, it's all clay. So I need to address it before it becomes a big problem. So what we're gonna do is yank that off, put a perimeter around it, build an actual shed pad that's nice and level and square. I got these railroad ties from a job, and I brought them back home because I didn't know what to do with them. So I'm gonna use this as a border